bringing in digitally integrated technology, collaborative regional efforts, focus on teachers training and development, emphasis on experiential learning, and diverse education options. I think these points are a great way to sum up the entire theme of this event. It was indeed a pleasure listening to you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your profound insights with all of us. Thank you very much. We also feel extremely fortunate to have with us Professor Muhammad Rafiqul Islam as our guest of honor, who has come all the way from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Professor Muhammad Rofiqul Islam is the Registrar of Dhaka International University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Previously, he was the Chairman of Business Administration Department and Dean of the Faculty of Business Studies. He has authored over 20 research papers in top journals and undergone various specialized courses, both at home and overseas. He has participated in many conferences and seminars and presented papers. And he is an academician and administrator par excellence. It's an honor to have you with us here, sir, and I kindly request you to address the gathering.
Honorable Founder and President of NTC Global, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Special Guest, Honorable Convener of today's program, Honorable Keynote Speaker, distinguished delegates, and respected participants. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's a privilege to stand before you today as we explore the future of teaching and learning, an area that is rapidly evolving and full of exciting possibilities. Education has always been the foundation of progress, but the way we teach and learn is changing. Technology is transforming our classrooms, bringing in tools that allow us to personalize education like never before. Whether through online platforms, virtual reality, or artificial intelligence, we now have the ability to cater to individual learning styles and demands, making education more accessible and engaging for all. However, while technology is a powerful tool, the heart of education remains the connection between teachers and students. As we move forward, it's crucial that we maintain this human element, nurturing curiosity, critical thinking, and empathy. Teachers will continue to play a vital role as guides, as moderators, as mentors, helping students navigate the vast amounts of information available to them and encouraging them to think creatively and independently. We must also recognize that the future of learning is not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about developing skills that prepare students for a rapidly changing world. This includes fostering adaptability, resilience, and a lifelong love of learning, which will enable our students to thrive in whatever challenges and opportunities the future holds. As we embrace these changes, let us remain committed to creating an inclusive and supportive learning environment where every student has the chance to succeed. The future of teaching and learning is bright, and together we can shape an education system that not only keeps pace with change, but leads the way forward. Thank you, everyone.
As Sir rightly said, teachers will continue to play a vital role as guides and mentors, but the future of learning is developing adaptability, resilience, and embracing change for a great learning environment. Thank you very much for sharing your insights, sir. RV Institute of Management is blessed to have